single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Baby. Hey, mama baby. You. Mama love you. Hey, y'all. Okay, y'all. So on this video, y'all will see me making bags for my baby classroom, for the kids in her classroom. Her teachers and her therapists, and some of the teachers and stuff, some of the people that also show her love at school as well, the adults, like the people at the little pickup line car thing, and just some teachers that's in other classroom that just love her to death. So on this video, that's what you will see, so stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so first I'm going to start off with the kids' bags. Her teacher said it's 7 of them plus Kayla in the classroom. So these are the bags that I have. Love you, Alama. It's front and back. Y'all see her hand. She want it. You see her hand? You see her hand? Yeah, we making bags for your friends. Your friends? Said friends? Yeah, no. I said friends. Y'all excuse that. And what I'm gonna do is write her name like this on each side from Kayla. Okay? And it's 18 bags, but it's 7 kids in the room besides her, so I'm gonna do 7 of them little bags. Yeah, I'm gonna do 7 of those little bags with well, I'm gonna do 8 little bags because I am gonna include her bag. Okay. Or should I do her bag? Yeah. Well, not really. She don't need a bag. She got it here. So we're just gonna do 7 bags, okay, y'all? But we got 8 little shells. So, and these right here, we got 16 of these. But I'm gonna use these for the teachers probably or something. I don't know. I'm gonna figure that out. But this right here, I'm gonna use these for the kids. The little shells for the children. And I'm gonna put candy. I got a bag of candy right here. A bag of candy. And I'm doing Rice Krispie treats as well. Sorry, y'all. I'm doing Rice Krispie treats as well in those bags. Okay, so let me write on all these bags, and I'll be right back as soon as I get done writing on these. Okay. Okay, y'all. So don't mind my mama. She's on the phone. I am. I'm finished writing on all the bags, so I'm gonna start off with 7 bags. Oh, let me show y'all something else too. I got the kids in her classroom cookies from Publix. Valentine cookies from Publix. I got 2 sets. I don't know what set to take really. I might leave 1 set here. And I might leave 1 set here and take 1 set. I might take this set to the school right here. Because it's bigger. It's a bigger set for the teachers and everybody. So yeah, so I just leave these here. So she can eat these. I probably leave these here for her therapist that come here. Yeah. Put cookies in the bags for them. Yeah, I can do that with a Ziploc bag. Yes, come through. I got it now, y'all. And I'm going to take these to the school. Okay? Take this thing off here. Alright, so these going to the school and these going to stay here. I'm going to put some of these right here. I'm going to put these in the Ziploc bag. Some of these in a Ziploc bag and give them to the therapist. Okay, to the therapist. Because there's 3 therapists that come here, so I'm going to do probably 2 cookies a piece or 3 cookies a piece, something like that. But I can leave them in the bag though. I feel like I'm ready for them. My voice going away, y'all. I feel like I'm finna be sick. For real. These are the shovels. Let me get the scissors first, child. Excuse my belly, y'all. I'm a healthy chick. Stop, child. She wanna do, y'all. She wanna do something so bad, y'all. For real, on some real. You got it. She wanna do something so bad. So these what they look like. And I got the zip tie them. So they look like this. And all I do is write, I'm just gonna write the from on there, from Kayla. Because I don't really know everybody's name. Okay? Stop. I'm sorry, y'all. She's trying to take the children's stuff. It's not for you to play with. You got to give these away to your friends. Yeah, remember? You got to remember we're making Valentine cards for your friends. And treat bags and stuff. Yeah. Okay, y'all. So what I'm going to do is write on one and show y'all what I'm talking about. Okay? So this is all I'm going to write on here. Right to Kayla Johnson. You see? And that's all I'm going to do. And I'll be right back after I get done writing all these and zipping these. Okay? So I'm done with those shells. There's 8 of them. And I'm finna do these little bags. I'm finna get 8 bags out, y'all. And then I'm gonna let y'all see what I'm gonna put on top of them. I mean, what I'm gonna put in them. I said on top of them. So y'all, I'll be right back. Okay.
He got mad at his quite passing anniversary. He thought all the members were supposed to stay there to support him. Some of them people were hot-tied. They hadn't even went home. But my thing is, you need to be appreciated of the ones that were there. It made me feel like he more appreciated of the ones that were there. Yeah. So my thing is, would you not appreciate of the ones that were there? Because that's the way you talk. Yeah. So, why, those folks went home. For one thing, you got to think about it. You don't know what nobody else got to do. So you just can't pinpoint people just sit there and be on your time. You can't do that.
Take it off anyway.
So all day long, just tired. Just tired the whole day. They don't even ask what you got to do.
Okay, y'all, I ain't gonna cook it no more. They like they don't want to cook. I ain't got time playing with it. Get it. So what I have is the shovel, a piece of candy, a sucker, Smarties, this thing right here, and I'm gonna give them one. I'll turn that light off in a minute. For the kitties. Y'all think that's a nice size bag? I think it's nice. What you think, Mama? For them, anyway. Some parents don't like their children to have all this sweet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bags, y'all. See, they stuff gonna go in their cups to other people. We had 8 extra bags. Actually, for other people. And this is their little bag.
You had a trunk to go in.
Oh, yeah, I should be some reading. Huh? Girl, don't get me started. So y'all, yeah, it's their little bag. I'm tired.
Try it one more time.
OLD. Okay, y'all. So this they little bag. From Kayla. So I'll finish these bags and I'll be right back. Okay? Okay, y'all. So what I'm gonna do is just do colored ribbon. Do some ribbon. Just gonna do some ribbon. Okay, y'all. One time. Where I went to, y'all? What I did? Oh, see. So I'm just gonna tie it. Here. Okay. I'm tie it twice. That's all we just tied in that. Roll. And then I'm gonna draw the string. Let's curl the string. That's how I'm gonna do it. So I'm really gonna be back, y'all, when I get done. I just want to show y'all how I did. I am gonna tie the ribbon. So I'll be back. Okay, y'all. I'm done with all her little kitty bags for her friend. Thought I dropped one, y'all. All 8 bags. I did 8 bags just in case, because she said a student's supposed to be there that day too. I don't know if somebody extra there, they'll have a bag, but if not, Kayla have the bag. So I did 8 little bags. So let me get a picture of these, because you know I post stuff on social media as well. So I'm gonna get a picture of these bags and I'll be right back. I'm finna start on the teachers' bags with the teachers and therapy cups. Okay? Okay, y'all. So now I'm about to get ready to start on Kayla therapist and teachers. Okay? This one I'm about to start on now. Get those out the way. These are cute. She said no, too. These are real cute, y'all. My mama picked these out. She picked the other ones out too. Them shovels. Y'all just saw. Now we got these. They're pop-ups. This one say, every pizza me likes you. Happy Valentine's Day. They pop up. These are the pizzas. Oh, they got little cards, y'all. Those are cute. Yeah, I could definitely get these to the adults. Let me see. I showed y'all the pizza, right?
I ain't got no more of that. That paper.
She ate the whole thing.
I don't know.
She can have another one if she want.
What this?
Mom, don't do it. Don't do her.
Go get one. Go get Mama give one.
Stop. Don't rip them. Y'all. I just ripped her with my eye.
Stop. Look, girl. Look, girl. Look, girl.
You want another one of these? What that black pepper treatment to you? It's in your stomach.
And then inside of that chill one. I don't want none. You eat it.
Well, give it here then. Where that treat at, Kayla? I'm sorry, y'all. Stop. Go play. Go play.
Let me go ahead and see what it's up at.
Okay, y'all. So I showed y'all the pizza. I'm sorry, my child is in my way. This is the waffle. It say, I like you. I like you. It's in the refrigerator. She had a cup with her though. What she did with that cup? No, it did. What she did? I throw it in the trash. I ain't throw the cup away. I threw the straw away. There's a cup in the refrigerator. You see it? Yeah, she had it. I like you waffle a lot. Happy Valentine's Day. I'm sorry, y'all. Trying to get my child situated. And I do just put that back like that. Just like pop up.
She get that chocolate milk. She take out again.
And this one is a donut. Donut ever. Let me go. Happy Valentine's Day. Donuts. And then, and then I got, look at that, y'all. I'm sorry. Okay. Now we got fries. It said, I only have fries for you. Happy Valentine's Day. And these are the little cards, y'all. Well, little envelopes, I mean. Got little envelopes. So, yeah, y'all. So, I'm going to fill these out. And I will get back with you guys. Okay, y'all. So, this is the back of the cards. I just put from Kayla Johnson on the back. And on the front of the envelopes, I put Happy Valentine's Day. Love, Kayla. So this one going now, filling out all these envelopes. So when I'm done with that, I will show y'all what I have for them. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, I can show y'all this right quick too. If I ain't break it, I thought I broke it. I got her some ears. For Valentine's Day, y'all thought they were cute. Oh, they're really cute. But this is the prize, so I'll show y'all this in a minute. Okay? So I will see y'all in a minute. Okay, y'all, I'm done filling out the cards. Now, open this tissue paper. Open these as well. These are the gift bags that I got y'all to put their gifts in. The teachers' gifts actually will go to teachers and therapists. And the you know what I'm gonna do? Man, I forgot y'all to get a glass for that lady next door to her teacher's room. So what I'm gonna do is give her one of them glasses, give the other lady at the bus stop. I mean, not the bus stop, at the car ride line, just a bag with goodies in it. Or I could just probably just, yeah, I'm gonna do that. Yeah. You know what? I could just give Katie just a bag. Just because she don't drink. What you think I should do? Mom, what you think I should do? I forgot about letting it the Kayla room. No. Should I give her anything? I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna figure it out though for tonight on week. But anyway. I'm just gonna put one piece of paper. Lord Jesus, Dollar Tree so difficult with that stuff. You know, you'd think it's just $1. It wouldn't be that hard to get into. There we go. Good grief. Okay, y'all. So, I'm gonna put that stuff in the bag. This is what I got, y'all. All the teachers and therapists. Wine glasses. Wine glasses from Pier 1 Imports. And this how much they was a piece. $7.95. And they're not glass, they're actually plastic. Plastic ones this time I saw. I got wine last time. I mean, not wine. I got one person wine last time. But I had got glasses last time. Let me scoot my camera back so y'all can see. But this time, I need plastic. I got 8 of them. And what I'm going to do is just put tissue paper in all of them and fill them up with candy and a card. Okay? And a Rice Krispie treat. Look at a Rice Krispie treat as well too. Yeah, y'all, I'm gonna just give the lady that's next to Kayla a glass and get the other lady that kiss her hand and stuff every morning. I'm gonna get her just a bag of candy. Cause she appreciates anything. She's not hard to please at all. Let me use this paper first. Right here. I do it like this. I wonder. Should I do it like this? I'm just gonna do it like this. I'll step it down. Paper. This is paper. All I have to do hurt my hand. My hand won't fit in here, y'all. It's too big. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is use this pen, y'all. I'll put that card. I guess I'll just put that card on top. Okay, actually put it on top. So I'm gonna get them like one of each. I'm actually gonna get them Rice Krispie treats. Like one second of each. Now, candies in there. Maybe the one of these candies is going this. gonna be a thing full of candy. I'm gonna take one of these bags right here. And get a card. It don't matter what card it is. I'm gonna stick it in here.
Oh.
Let me cut the light off for a minute.
What you talking to me about before? Huh? Why are you talking to me about that light? What was that?
I don't know. That number I always call it everything. It don't be a full number. I don't know what that is. Y'all put the glass in here like this. Of course, that's not gonna fit all the way in there. You see that? But I'm just gonna probably stick a piece of tissue paper along the side of it.
Oh. You don't have popcorn.
Yeah, it's over there on the floor.
Oh.
You don't want that kind?
I forgot it was over there. That's why I don't buy the big stuff from Sam's. I don't go to Sam's.
Yeah, I'm gonna just put like one piece of paper in here. I'm about to
Having a moment.
I'm gonna put the card right down at the show. I think I can see that card.
I'm hungry.
Well, you ate a full meal.
I ate shit. This shit was horrible. Chili is nasty.
We went to Chili's today, y'all. She hated it.
And
But
the
that's
people
how
go
it's
in
gonna
there
be.
too.
Okay? I'm thinking y'all think I should put some ribbon like right here. I might do ribbon right there too. I'm gonna do white ribbon. Okay? Yeah. So yeah, y'all, that's how this is gonna look. Okay? So look at my time on my camera, y'all. Tie it up like that. And I'm gonna curl these ends. Y'all know I'm curling my little ends and take. And yeah. That's how it will look. The finishing touches, okay? Alright. So stay tuned. Let me finish these. And I'll be back. Okay, y'all. So I am done with these ones right here. I'm finna get ready to bag them and put them in a bag. And I'll be right back. Okay? Okay, so y'all, I'm just about done now. I did have 2 more gifts. It's the soaps I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna do some little goodie bags too for some of the other teachers that she wanna give something to. But these 2 soaps, I'm gonna let these go. They come from Pier 1 Imports as well. One is vanilla. Sorry, y'all. And one is strawberry. So I'm gonna do 2 soaps. A card. Okay.
Somebody told me, did you see? I said, no, I haven't got the
Card. And a cord. Sorry, I'm a camera cutter. 2 suckers. I got one of these. This is for one of the other ladies at the bus stop. And this will be her bag. It'll be not the bus stop, but it'll be like when I pick her up, y'all. It'll be her. When I be picking her up. She's had her break. It's nice.
Get her outfit.
Nice. Okay, y'all, so I am actually officially done. Thank God. Oh, I'll make these off camera. I'm just making these just to make them. These little bags right here just to make them. In case Kayla just want to give somebody a random one. Just pass them out at school. Just say Happy Valentine Day. Happy Valentine Day. Happy Valentine Day. Whatever. If she want to just pass them out randomly to anybody, I don't care. You know. I'm free-hearted. I'm really free-hearted like that. It don't bother me. You know. So yeah, y'all. Let me show y'all my finishing. Bye. This is look at my baby, y'all. Y'all see her chair now too that she had to fit over. But yeah, y'all. So this is the finishing ones that I done. The cards in here. Oh. We have exactly 9 bags to give out. So yeah. This is the finishing touches, y'all. Okay, y'all. So I am done with this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Hit that bell because y'all family. Thank y'all for coming with me, helping me do this video. Well, coming along with me while I do the video. Do the teachers' gifts and the kids' stuff, whatnot. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. They'll be in the description box below. Continue to support and follow me on my channel. Love you guys, and until next time. See you on the next vlog. Bye, y'all.